Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Tesla. This is ticker TSLA, and I believe Tesla is at a key crossroads here on this chart. And I'll tell you why. As you can see, it's been quite a bumpy ride the last couple of months since Elon Musk sold his shares. I think he sold a lot in this area and some in this area. And ever since then, it's just been whipping around and chopping around. And today, we pulled right back down to this blue line. That's the 200-day simple moving average on the chart. Now, I believe Tesla is at a key crossroads here because every time the stock has come down to this 200-day moving average in the past, let's say, year or so, it quickly, usually, recovers around the 200-day moving average. You can see back here in May, June, July of 2021, came down to the 200-day, finally got back above, came back down, came back up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And so this is a really key level for this stock. And I think we should definitely be keeping an eye on Tesla around this zone, because if we don't hold around this 200-day moving average and we close below for consecutive days, it could be a bumpy ride. Now, I'll show you what happened to Tesla in the past when we were unable to get above and close above the 200-day moving average. If I zoom back here to 2019, you can see now, while the patterns aren't very similar, what I want to point out is the fact that once we broke below this 200-day moving average, and it was a clearly defined level of resistance, broke down, couldn't hold above, got back above, couldn't hold above. It was just a brutal ride for Tesla, but that ended up turning into a great opportunity for long-term investment. And so, there's really two ways to look at this chart, in my opinion. A chart that is definitely breaking down, but also a chart that could potentially have a lot of opportunity in the future. So I want to stay open-minded with Tesla in general. But first off, I want to make sure that it holds above that 200-day moving average, because if it doesn't, then I probably don't want to be involved in this stock for anything more than a quick rebound swing trade type of move, because this big drop here, definitely not fun, even if you have strong conviction in a company. I don't care how strong your conviction is, sitting through this, I'm sure wasn't fun for anyone. So like I said, I really want to keep an eye on Tesla and see if it can hold above this 200-day moving average, this blue line on the chart, as it has held above the past year and a half or so. So keep an eye on Tesla. It could be a great opportunity, or it could be a car that you just want to get out of the way of. We'll have to see. Let's watch together. So I hope this video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll see you next time.